Hi, my name is Shaylin, and I am in an internship at a private practice mental health firm. And I'm actually in charge of helping run a group of our social skills group for adolescents. There's 4 groups, and the group ages start at 4 and they go all the way up to 18. So the groups are divided by age. We are in charge of creating the materials for the group. That includes a parent newsletter, all of the materials that we'll be using during the session, and then kind of the monthly newsletter that comes out with the groups too. What I really like about my internship is that I get a lot of opportunity for program development and a lot of freedom to do program development. So I've created a survey, kind of a user survey feedback form, so people could let us know how they thought their child was doing in group, what they'd like to see more of, what they'd like to see less of, and actually they've implemented that the practice as a whole for people seeing individual clients as well. I also kind of pushed the social media piece because I thought that we weren't using social media enough, and so I do social media outreach for the group as well. So that's been really exciting to have that freedom. I also see individual clients, so I am seeing 3 individual clients on top of running the 4 groups. So I like that I get a big mix of doing a lot of different stuff. That's helpful. One challenge I'm facing in my field experience is actually when it comes to individual clients. It's knowing what the treatment plan is and what the goals are. And our EHR system is really, really juvenile. It's really hard to use. And so learning how to navigate that takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. So that's one thing that I've learned is, if I ever go into private practice, is to, our interview is ask about what EHR they're using and how that works. One thing I've learned about myself through my field experience is that I don't like not knowing what I'm doing. I'm uncomfortable not knowing what the plan is, and so I'm having to learn to be okay with being a little flexible and just kind of learning as I go. So thanks for listening. I look forward to working with you guys, and have a great class.